Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Mutiara Dewan.
My name is Vinci. We are
Group 2. We are really passionate about language. So today we're gonna talk about language description. Language description or descriptive linguistics is the process of analyzing and describing how a language is used or was used in the past. It is an objective process that seeks to describe reality without preconceived ideas about how it should be.
traditional grammar, also known as classical grammar, is a framework for describing the structure of a language and teaching people how to speak or read it. It's based on the work of classical Greek and Latin philologists and became popular during the Renaissance. Traditional grammar typically focus on the structure of language, emphasizing part of space, syntax, and sentence construction. It categorizes words into part of space, noun, verb, adjective, and etc. and provides rules for their use within sentence. Characteristic traditional grammar. Traditional grammar in English focus on sentence structure and fixed language rules. Systematic sentence analysis emphasizes subject, verb, object, word order. Structural characteristics include noun, verb, and adjective categorization and syntactic diagram. Functional characteristics comprise communicative function, semantic relationship, and sentence type. Declarative, interrogative, imperative. Example, sentence, I eat breakfast. Part of space, I read a book. Clause, I went to the store. Syntactic, the dog bites the man.
Structural linguistic. Structural linguistic or structuralism in linguistics denotes schools or theories in which language is conceived as a self-contained, self-regulation semiotic system whose elements are defined by their relationship to other elements within the system. Characteristic structural linguistic. Structural linguistic focus on studying language as a system language rather than individual utterances, parole, emphasizing the synchronic dimension. Even attempts to study parole often incorporate elements into the sphere of language. One of the key characteristics of structural linguistics is it emphasizes on synchronic analysis. This means that structural linguistics are more interested in studying language at a particular point in time, rather than tracing its historical development. They focus on the language system as it exists now, without considering how it has changed over time. Another important aspect of structural linguistics is it, its use of formal methods. Structural linguistics often use mathematical models and computer simulations to analyze language data. This allows them to identify and describe the underlying patterns of language in a precise and objective way.
TG grammar. TG grammar or transformational generative grammar a Proiman theory developed by Naum Chomsky, delves into the interact working of human language. Unlike earlier approach, the focus on describing exciting language, TG grammar aim to understand the underlying mental process that enable humans to generate and comprehend an infinite number of sentences. Characteristic TG grammar. Key characteristics of TGG include: first, emphasis on syntax. TGG places a strong emphasis on the study of sentence structure. It asks rules to describe how words are combined to form pairs and sentences. 2. Pairs structure rules. The rules describe the basic structure of sentence, breaking them down into similar units like noun pairs and verb pairs. 3. Transformational rules. That's rules explain how sentence can be transformed into different forms, such as changing uh, such as changing an active sentence into a passive one. Passive into a passive one. 4. Universal grammar. TGG process that there is a universal grammar that is innate to all humans, providing a foundation for language acquisition.
Language variation and register analysis. Language variation refers to the diverse ways that a language is used across different groups of people and in different social situations. Think of like this: while everyone might speak English, the way it's spoken in London will differ from how it's spoken in New York, and both will differ from how teenagers text their friends compared to how they might address a professor. This variation encompasses difference in one pronunciation, accent, and dialect varies significantly across regions and social groups. Two, vocabulary. Different words and phrases are used in different communications and situation. 3. Grammatical rules can also vary, leading to difference in sentence structure and word order. Register analysis is the study of how language varies depending on the context in which it is used. It examines how different social situations, such as formal speeches, casual conversation, academic writing, and legal documents, influence the way people use language. Essentially, it investigates how factors like the purpose of communication, the relationship between speakers, and the level of formality impact the specific linguistic choices people make, such as vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, and the overall structure of their discourse.
Functional grammar is an approach to language that focuses on how language is used to achieve communicative goals in real-world contexts. National grammar refers to the standardized set of grammatical rules and conventional considered correct and provide within a specification or language community. Characteristic functional and national grammar. Functional grammar is concrete with how language is used in real-world situations, emphasizing its role, communication, and social interaction. National grammar focus on the standardized rules and conventions that are considered correct within a particular nation, often with emphasis on formal and written language. These two approaches offer different pres- perspectives on language, with functional grammar focus on the dynamic and social aspect of language arts, while national grammar emphasizes the standardized and practice and prescriptive aspect of language within a particular context.
Discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is a broad field of study that examines how language is used in social contexts. It goes beyond the study of individual words or sentences to analyze how language is used to create meaning, establish social relationships, and shape our understanding of the world. Characteristic discourse analysis. Discourse analysis is characterized by its focus on the social, cultural, and political dimensions of language use. It goes beyond the study of individual words and sentences to examine how language shapes our understanding of the world and influences our social interaction.
That's all for our team.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya. See you in the next time. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.